Recently, a friend of mine asked me how to do keyword research for his website. This is a complex topic, but I decided to record this quick video so I can briefly explain the idea behind keyword research, how to do it by yourself, and how to find the right keywords for your purposes. Actually, keyword research is quite different if you're researching keywords for your website, for your YouTube channel, or for some other platform. Also, it depends on the search engine that the users will use, but I will try to be as quick as possible in this video to stick to the basics and to explain you actionable strategy. So, the products my friend is offering are made from roses. They are natural products made from Rosa damascena. This is a popular ingredient in cosmetology worldwide. So I will perform a keyword research for the keyword rose water and products from rose water. The first thing I will do is I will go to google.com and I will start typing the name of the product. Actually, this is a rose water, and what I see are the suggestions here below. So rose water benefits, it's marked with different color because I have already searched for this and I have entered this search term before, but the other words are words that people write in Google, so they look for rose water for hair, rose water for Bulgaria, rose water uses, and so on and so on. So what I will do now is I will open my Google Sheets and I will move these words to Google Sheets so I can keep a track on them. Okay, I have entered the words suggested by Google. I will extend this column. So here are my keywords in column 1, and in the next column I will enter the search volume. So keyword and search volume. Like this, so I can see the amount of searches for every different keyword. But before I do this, actually I will click enter here in Google search, and I will see what type of results do we have on Google. So first of all, we have some featured snippet result. Also, I use an extension called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Google Chrome extension. You can find it in Chrome Web Store, and actually it gives you information about the search volume for the query you have entered in the search. Okay, so I scroll down a little bit more, and actually I will go to the bottom of the page and I see some more related searches like where to buy rose water for cooking, rose water drink. Actually, some of these words I don't have them in my sheets. I will again split my screen and I will enter these words also, where to buy rose water for cooking, rose water drink, rose water toner. Actually we have that, rose water benefits. The rest I think we have them except for the rose water recipe. Okay, so that's it. I have collected 15 words that people are looking for often. Now what I need to do is I need to go to a tool that will give me the search volume for this particular keywords. The tool I use the most is the Google Ads Keyword Planner. Actually, I believe that since this instrument created by Google, it should be suitable enough for giving us the exact amount of search volume in Google. So I will go to ads.google.com. I will make it full screen. I will switch to English so you can understand everything. Here it is, English. This is the Google Ads platform. From here you can run ads on Google search and on the display network and on YouTube, but what I will do now is I will click sign in to my account. You need to have an account to use the Google Keyword Planner. If you don't have an account, you cannot perform this thing here, so create an account and then you can use the Keyword Planner. Also, something important I'd like to mention: if you don't have running ads and if you don't have clicks on your ads in Google Keyword Planner, you won't have the exact volume of the search, so you will have some kind of range. I will explain briefly in just a couple of seconds. So I will start entering my words one by one. Actually, what I will do is I will copy them from the sheet. Here it is. So I will copy the first 11 because there is a limitation. You can only enter 10 words at once. So here are my 10 words. What I will do now is I will change my default language to English because I want to know the volume for English. And what I will do next is I will remove my country. I won't enter any other country because I'm not targeting a specific location, just users using Google products with English interface. So I will click on get results then, and you see the keywords you provided and keyword ideas below. So these are the keywords I have provided. Actually, these are the search volume for these keywords. What I will do now is I will split them like this. So I will copy and paste the volume here. Actually, I won't do it like this. I will download keyword ideas. I will download them in Google Sheets. I will click on download. I wait for the words to be downloaded. Once sheet is ready, I can click on open sheet, and here you see the keywords I have entered, their search volume, and also below there is keyword ideas, how to make rose water. So how to make rose water, where to buy rose water. These are all actually from how to make rose water to the bottom. These all are keyword ideas. So this way I know the volume of the search keywords that I have entered and I'm looking for, but I also have some nice ideas like rose water for face. Actually, I haven't seen this here. And you see that the search volume for rose water for face is much bigger than the search volume for rose water for hair. I'll scroll down a little bit more and I will see other ideas. I won't get too much into detail. What I wanted to show you is how to get the volume for your keywords and also how to get some related keywords via the keyword ideas. Here we see that we can broaden our search using skin toner, for example, floral water, which is kind of the rose water is a floral water. Actually, cleanser, it's similar to rose water for face, rose products, natural cleanser, and many other ideas. Here we can refine the keywords. We can exclude or include brand keywords. You see that they are healthcare companies. I can remove them because I don't want brands in my results. Here are some retailers, Tesco, Amazon, and some other retailers. I will exclude them also. Here are some brands which I will exclude also because I want pure search results, and I think this is also a brand. I'm not sure why Google didn't exclude it, but here we have some pure results, organic rose water. The rest of the things I won't explain because they are related to Google Ads, but what you need to look for is the average monthly searches and these graphs here. So this here actually is decreasing, but this is increasing somehow, and there are some rising keywords and some going down keywords. Best rose water for face. Actually, this is a query that people are starting to look more and more. Through the time, you see that back in time, what are the search volumes. So what I will do now with these keywords is, actually we are making a keyword research for the website, not for YouTube channel. So what I will do now is I will pick some of the keywords, maybe 3, 4, 5 of them, and I will try to use them, all of them actually, in my article, because this way Google will know that this article is related to the topic. For example, if our topic is rose water Bulgaria, or let's make it much more little bit complex, rose water for skin, I will talk about rose water. I will talk about rose water produced in Bulgaria. I will talk about the uses and I will mention the skin. I will talk about the toner, which is for the skin. I will talk that there is a spray which can be used for the skin also, the price of the rose water for the skin maybe, and where you can buy some rose water for your skin. Also for face is quite similar because the face has a skin also. What are the benefits of rose water for your skin? So you see how I'm just telling you different sentences that you can use. You can extend these topics, and this way you can write at the same time for 5, 6, 7 keywords that you're targeting. So this is a quick way to perform a keyword research and also to find some keyword ideas. Actually, the process is really complex. It's really long-term process, what I would do next if I am performing a detailed keyword research and not for the purposes of this short video. I would take the words one by one. Rose water for hair. I will search in Google rose water for hair and I will see what kind of results do we have here. I will open the article. I will check it. I will read it. I will find what they're talking about. I see the structure they have made. I'll try to see how many times the word hair. You see that we have the word hair many times here, and it's almost in every sentence, in every paragraph. There are some portions of text that miss from the word hair, but actually we have hair almost 70 times, we have rose water almost 30 times, so it's quite obvious for Google that this page is dedicated to rose water for hair. Also, you see that the URL is dedicated to this exact query. So these guys have decided to make a separate article for rose water for hair because they know there's what to say. I'll simply show you something else, rose water for skin, and then I will end up this video. So rose water for skin, this is actually the same website, I think. Hotline, yeah, it's the same website. The article is called Rose Water Benefits. Rose Water Benefits, and you see that Google directs me to the portion of text where they are mentioning the skin. Maybe let's see, reduce skin redness. Yeah, skin redness, skin. We have several times skin. So I see that this is actually an opportunity because, as you saw, they have used hair many times in this article, but they haven't used skin many times in this article. So this article could be rewritten, extended, mention more times rose water for skin, and this way we can get a sufficient amount of traffic. Of course, there are many other factors, but I won't go into detail in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video useful, just press the like button below, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do it also from the subscribe button below. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will try to help you. See you in another video. Bye.